Hello, this is Gary Seale with TrueCon Communications. I want to talk to you today about capacity, and not just anybody's capacity or the capacity of some container, but your capacity included in your brain, because your brain is controlled by your mind, your will, your emotions, those things that take over the gray matter. Now, it's incredible that you have billions of synapses in your brain, and those synapses have each one the capability of creating 12,000 connections. So the power of your brain is just unspeakable. What that allows you to do is focus and retain information. I would encourage you to work in an area of your giftedness, but just keep in mind, this 3.5 pounds of gray matter that you have purges itself of trash and debris every night, so you wake up refreshed and ready to go. Not only that, it creates new brain cells every night. So if you damage some through bad habits, maybe too much drinking back in college, then there's hope for you. What I would tell you is that you have an amazing capacity for a concept called neuroplasticity, which means building new memories and new capabilities in your brain at will. Now, it takes work, it takes repetition. Perhaps you're destroying an old habit that you don't like, or an attitude that's not producing the results that you want, but you're entirely capable of that. You can literally put that old mindset behind you, the literal physical mapping geography of your brain, and build new brain cells connections that allow you to function on a higher plane, at a higher level, at a higher level of integrity. Consequently, I would encourage you, just think about the capability that you as an individual have and the confidence that that should bring and allow you to function at the highest level. Capacity, confidence, capabilities, they're all within your grasp.